Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to download and install DirectX 11 on Windows, step by step in the easiest way possible. First, go to this link right here. It will take you to Microsoft's DirectX End User Runtime Web Installer. This installer includes DirectX 11 so you don't need to look for anything else. Once you're on the page, select your preferred language, then click the download button. After the file finishes downloading, open it and click yes when the Windows asks for permission. When the installer opens, accept the license agreement and click next. You may see an optional offer. You can uncheck that since it's not required. The installer will now download and install the DirectX components automatically. Just wait until the process finishes. Once you see the finish button, click it and then restart your PC. And that's it, DirectX 11 is now installed and ready to use. And remember, if this video helped you fix something or saved you from wasting money, here's an easy way to support the channel. You'll find an Amazon link in the description. Bookmark it and use it whenever you shop. Whether you're buying tech or everyday essentials, a small portion of what you already spend helps support the work here at no extra cost to you. And trust me, Amazon won't even notice. If you want to support directly, you can also buy me a coffee or check out the phone accessories store linked below. Totally optional. That's it. Thanks for the support. Stay sharp and I'll see you in the next video.